Hey, you got Mick here from Portie's Garage, stopping at the Northwood University Auto Show, International Auto Show. Let's see what we got inside. Hey, just before we start the video, I wanted to go through and note that it started raining really hard during the video. So there was not much interaction with a lot of cars. The attendants weren't there, and they didn't want you opening and closing the cars, getting things wet inside. So I was going to do a short and try to put just a couple products in. There was just way too much here. This is a great auto show. I left it in a short style, put a bunch in. I didn't even get to the big three. I couldn't get past the exotics. So I hope you enjoy what you got going on here. Starting out with some WRXs, Subarus, S200s. Got the Nissan here. The new TLX. Got several Lexuses. Wonder if I should upgrade the SC. I think I'll keep that for a while yet. Go with some Toyotas. That's what I'm looking at. That we're in the back. Sequoia TRD Pro. Land Cruiser we got here. I like this color. I like the roof rack. Oh yeah. I could do this guy right here. New Tacoma Trail Hunter. Oh yeah. A little nicer than my Tacoma. All right, which one? The GR or the Supra? I'm kind of partial to the Supra. Oh, they got these locked. Here's something a little different. Ineos, British. Off the old Defender. Beamers in here. There's those Ineos. You got some Alfa Romeo. Oh, look at this guy, Ghibli Q4. I'm thinking of getting a depreciated one of these. A 14, let me know if I should. Got Mercedes here. Oh, and then we got the Audis. Is that an e-tron? Almost looks like an e-tron right there. Look at all these. Oh, Mr. Portie. He's gonna like this guy. And we got the McLaren over here. The Roy's, the Rolls. Got a little Aston Martin here. Bentley of Troy. The Lambo. There we go. All right, look at this guy. Ferrari.
It's the Ferrari Carshow.
What
SUV they've made.
The first SUV?
Yep.
What's it called again?
Carshow.
Carshow.
Yep. It has a V12 engine in it. It's a 4-seater. You get a little more space.
I like that. V12. Sweet.
Some Lincolns. Got your Jeeps. Some Hennessy upgrades. Oh boy, look at this guy. Just asked 5.5. You got this one behind ropes. Woo. Look at this collection they got out here. Can you believe they're out in the rain? Man. Look at the color and the paint changing as you walk around. My goodness, look at this guy. Crazy paint job.
So that's going to do it for the content here. These last couple pictures are some of the aftermarket areas on the site for the car show. It was a great car show. Hopefully next year Mr. Portie and I can go and actually gather a lot more information from the people that are displaying the cars and actually get a little more interaction and get involved and get in the cars. So hopefully you like the content. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And again, thank you for watching Portie's Garage.